This is amazing. So it's taken I'm presuming you just loaded in a few pictures from the internet.
Yeah, so I went to Google Images, typed in Lex Fridman. I added like 10 or 20 images. You can open them in the gallery, and you can use your cursors to, yeah. So some don't look like you. So the hit or miss rate is like, I don't know, let's say like 50-50 or something.
But when I was watching your tweets, like it's been getting better and better and better.
It was very bad in the beginning. It was so bad, but still people signed up to it, you know?
There's two Lexes. It's great. It's getting more and more sexual. It's making me very uncomfortable.
Man, but that's the problem with these models. Because no, we need to talk about this because the models
sure.
the fusion.
Yeah.
So the photorealistic models that are like fine-tuned, they were all trained on porn in the beginning. And there was a guy called Hassan. So I was trying to figure out how to do photorealistic AI photos, and it was Stable Diffusion by itself is not doing that well. Like the faces look all mangled.
Yep.
And it doesn't have enough resolution or something to do that well. So, but I started seeing these base models, these fine-tuned models, and people would train on porn, and I would try them, and they would be very photorealistic. They would have bodies that actually made sense, like body anatomy. But if you look at the photorealistic models that people use now, there's still core of porn there, like of naked people. So I need to prompt out the naked, and everybody needs to do this with AI startups, with imaging. You need to prompt out the naked stuff. You need to put a, naked.
You have to keep reminding the model you need to put clothes on the thing.
Don't put naked because it's very risky. I have Google Vision that checks every photo before it's shown to the user to check
like
for
a nipple
NSFW.
detector.
Yes.
Oh, NSFW detector.
Because the journalists get very angry if they,
If you sexualize.
There was a journalist, I think, that got angry that used this and was like, oh, it showed like a nipple because Google Vision didn't detect it. So there's like these kind of problems you need to deal with, That's what I'm talking about. So this is with cats. But look at the cat face; it's also kind of mangled.
I'm a little bit disturbed.
You can zoom in on the cat if you want. Click. Yeah, this is a very sad cat. And it doesn't have a nose.
It doesn't have a nose.
But that's but this is the problem with AI startups because they all act like it's perfect, like this is groundbreaking, but it's not perfect. It's like really bad, half the time.